Welcome to Future Business School. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the global business environment. In this video, we'll explore how the global economy operates, strategies for entering international markets, the importance of cross-cultural management, and the profound impact of globalization on business strategy. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of these essential concepts that drive global business success. To begin, let's talk about the global economy and international trade. The global economy refers to the interconnected economic activities of countries worldwide. It's the backbone of international trade, which allows countries to exchange goods, services, and capital across borders. Imagine a world where your smartphone, designed in the United States, is manufactured in China, with components sourced from Japan, Korea, and Germany. This complex web of transactions is a prime example of the global economy in action. Consider how the automotive industry operates. Companies like Toyota and Ford source parts from various countries to produce vehicles that are sold globally. This global supply chain not only reduces costs, but also allows these companies to tap into the expertise and resources of different regions. Next, let's explore how businesses enter global markets. There are several strategies companies can use, depending on their goals and resources. The most common are exporting, licensing, franchising, joint ventures, and wholly owned subsidiaries. Exporting is the simplest and most cost-effective way to enter a new market. A company produces goods in its home country and sells them abroad. For instance, Apple exports its iPhones from manufacturing plants in China to markets worldwide. Licensing involves granting a foreign company the rights to produce and sell your products in exchange for royalties. Franchising, on the other hand, allows foreign entrepreneurs to operate a business using your brand and business model. McDonald's is a prime example of successful franchising, with thousands of outlets worldwide. A joint venture is a partnership where two or more companies from different countries collaborate on a specific project or business. For example, BMW and Toyota have collaborated on various projects, leveraging each other's strengths to innovate and expand their market reach. This strategy involves a company setting up a fully owned operation in a foreign country. While it requires significant investment, it provides complete control over business operations. Tesla, for example, established a wholly owned subsidiary in China to tap into the rapidly growing electric vehicle market. Now, let's discuss cross-cultural management and international human resource management, or HRM. Managing a global workforce requires understanding and respecting cultural differences. What works in one country may not work in another due to varying cultural norms, communication styles, and business practices. Consider the cultural differences between the United States and Japan. In the US, business meetings often involve open debate and quick decision-making. In contrast, Japanese culture emphasizes consensus building and careful consideration before making decisions. A US manager working in Japan must adapt to this cultural difference to succeed. International HRM involves recruiting, training, and managing employees in a global context. It includes understanding labor laws, compensation standards, and employee expectations in different countries. For instance, a company operating in Europe must navigate the region's strict labor laws and generous employee benefits. Finally, let's examine the impact of globalization on business strategy. Globalization has transformed the way businesses operate. Companies are no longer confined to their home markets. They must think globally to stay competitive. This shift requires businesses to adapt their strategies to cater to diverse markets and manage risks associated with global operations. Take the fast food giant, KFC. While KFC's core product, fried chicken, remains the same, the company tailors its menu to suit local tastes in different countries. In India, for example, KFC offers vegetarian options and spices that cater to the local palate, demonstrating the importance of localization in a global strategy. Businesses must also consider global risks such as currency fluctuations, political instability, and cultural differences. A well-rounded global strategy includes contingency plans to address these risks, ensuring long-term success in international markets. In conclusion, the global business environment is dynamic and complex, requiring businesses to be adaptable and culturally aware. Understanding the global economy, choosing the right market entry strategy, managing cross-cultural teams, and developing a robust global strategy are essential for success in today's interconnected world. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Business School. We promise to teach you everything about business for free. Go ahead and hit the bell icon for more business updates. See you in the next video.